life in me. When I had nothing, you still called me. Every heartbeat is a gift from you. Every sunrise shows your truth. You lift me up when I fall down. You place my feet on holy ground. Lo alofa elegata, elesuia tu maupea. You carried me through every storm, held my hand and kept me warm. Faafetai love for the life you gave. Faafetai for mercy every day. Your love surrounds me, lifts me, saves me. Faafetai Jesus for everything. You opened doors I couldn't see. You healed the broken parts of me. You gave me family, hope and peace. Your grace will never cease. Every blessing comes from you. Every moment